If you're looking for a way to make your video content more accessible, today we're diving into how to use Descript's automatic captioning tool. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started with this powerful feature, and I'll even show you how you can try it completely free. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a bonus at the end that'll get you an extended free trial to Descript's premium features. Now, let's get right into it. Descript's automatic captioning tool is an absolute game changer for anyone creating videos and podcasts. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, captions are essential. Not only do they improve accessibility, but they also boost SEO and viewer retention. Descript makes the process incredibly easy, and I'll show you how. First things first, once you've logged into Descript and created your project, click on New Project and upload your video or audio file. Descript supports a wide range of formats, so whether you've got an MP4, MOV, or even an audio-only file like MP3, it'll handle it without a hitch. Once your file is uploaded, Descript will automatically start transcribing your video. This is where the magic happens. The transcription process is fast and pretty accurate, and it happens in real time, meaning you don't have to wait forever to get your captions. This is a huge time saver compared to manual transcription, which can take hours. After Descript completes the transcription, you'll see it in a text editor on the right side of the screen. This is where you can easily review and make any adjustments if needed. Descript's AI-powered transcription is not perfect, but it's incredibly accurate for most cases. If you have specialized terms or names that Descript struggles with, you can simply click on the word and correct it. Now, to generate the captions for your video, all you need to do is click on the Publish button and select Export from the menu. Descript will give you several export options, including exporting as an SRT file, which is perfect for YouTube videos, or a VTT file for other platforms. You can even directly export your captioned video to platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. One cool feature of Descript is its ability to sync the captions with your video automatically. You can adjust the timing of the captions right within Descript's interface, making it easy to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. But here's the thing that sets Descript apart: the ability to edit the video itself through text. Descript's unique feature allows you to cut your video by deleting words in the transcription. It's a different way of editing that can save you tons of time, especially if you need to make quick adjustments. Before you finish, here's something to keep in mind. Descript is offering an exclusive bonus to those who sign up through the link in the description below. This special offer gives you an extended free trial to try out all the premium features, including the automatic captioning tool. That means you can start using Descript's full capabilities without any strings attached. So, if you want to make your video content more accessible, improve SEO, and streamline your editing process, give Descript's automatic captioning tool a try. Click the link below to grab your extended free trial and start using Descript today. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Descript's automatic captioning tool. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials on Descript and more software tools that will help you create even better content.